Today I'm going to teach you how to add an image to GitHub for your project's social media preview. This is a great way to make your repository stand out when shared on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, or Slack, giving it a professional and recognizable look. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your GitHub dashboard with all your repositories and activities. In the upper left panel of your screen, you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to add the social media preview image. This will take you directly to that project's main page where you can see all your files, commits, and project details. Now, look at the top toolbar of your repository page. You'll see several tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. Click on Settings. This is where you can configure various aspects of your repository, from general settings to advanced features. Once you're in the Settings section, scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Social Preview. This feature controls the image that appears when your repository is shared on social media platforms or messaging apps. It's an important branding element that helps people recognize your project at a glance. Next to the social preview section, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to begin uploading your custom image. A menu will appear with the option Upload an Image. Select this option to open your file browser. Browse through your files to locate the image you want to use for your repository's social media preview. Keep in mind that GitHub recommends using images that are at least 640 by 320 pixels for the best display quality. Once you've found and selected your image, click Open. GitHub will then upload and process your image, which may take a moment depending on the file size. After the upload completes, you'll see a preview of how your repository will appear when shared on social media. The image will now automatically display whenever someone shares a link to your GitHub project, making it more visually appealing and easier to identify. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom social media preview image to your GitHub repository, giving your project a more professional and polished appearance across all platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.